Hello everyone, welcome to Grey Pot. Today I'm trying my hands on a very special cake. This is an ocean cake, and as usual I have not added any artificial colors in this recipe. So the colors like blue, green, black, white, all are natural colors. So let's get started. Soak some agar or some gelatin in some cold water and keep it aside. Now heat some water in a pan with some sugar and boil it till the sugar is completely dissolved. Here I am using some butterfly pea flower to give the natural aqua color. Here I have used the dry flowers. You can also use the fresh one. Add around 5 to 6 flowers into this water and let it boil. After boiling it for some time, you can see the color from the flowers are slowly getting extracted into the water and the water is turning blue. Once it reaches the perfect color, add the agar or the gelatin mix and boil it for 2 more minutes. Now strain the mixture, keep it aside and let it cool down a bit. Now for this recipe, here I am using a chocolate cake. You can also use a vanilla cake. The recipe for the cake is already there in my channel. You can check the description for the recipe link. You have to make the cake one day ahead and keep it refrigerated so that it will be easy for you to cut and give the shape for this ocean cake. Here I am planning a design like one big mountain and a small mountain covered with ocean from all the sides. But the design is totally up to you. You can cut the cake in any shapes and make your own creative ocean cake. Now here I am building the top portion of the mountain with the leftover cake mixed with some chocolate ganache. Now once you're done with the structure, cover the entire cake with chocolate ganache. After covering it with the ganache, keep it refrigerated so that it will get slightly set. And after that, take it out. Apply some white chocolate ganache onto the cake. You can apply this with the help of a brush or a spatula. Keep it refrigerated until the white chocolate ganache is set. Now here I made some shell-shaped chocolates with simple melted white chocolate. Now you can fix these shells on the sides of the cake. Now here I made a cylindrical shape with an OHP sheet with the help of a sellotape. Now attach the springform pan around it. Now for an extra protection, I am covering the base of the cake pan with a cling film. Now slowly pour the blue color gelatin liquid into it. The liquid should not be hot or else it's gonna melt the chocolate which is covered all around the cake. So just be careful with that. Now you can keep it refrigerated for 6 hours or you can keep it overnight. Now let's open the springform and check the cake. Now slowly remove the sheet from the sides. And wow, look at that. The jelly is beautifully set. The color came out just perfect. And it is all natural colors. Now let's make the mountain bit more realistic. For that, here I've used some crushed Marie biscuits and divided into half. And in one portion, I'm adding some matcha powder. This is to give a beautiful green color for the mountain. To make a darker green, I'm adding some dark cocoa powder with this. Now place a cling film on the jelly portion so that it will not get messy with the biscuit powder. Now add the biscuit powder on top of the mountain. Now here I'm giving some wave design for the ocean with white fresh cream. Now our beautiful and amazing ocean cake is ready. This is made with all natural colors and it is so tasty cake. The butterfly pea flower jelly tastes really great and the deep dark moist chocolate cake inside, it's just amazing. So definitely try out this amazing ocean cake and leave your valuable comments and suggestions in the comment section below. Don't forget to hit the like button if you like this video. Now let's cut and see what's inside this ocean. The cake is really dark and deep moist, and the jelly, it's really chewy and tasty. And in between, you can bite those white chocolate shells. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Pinterest. Click the logo to subscribe to Greypot and watch more amazing videos from our channel. Thank you.